tired of fighting the scale and always losing? You've tried everything: restrictive diets, endless workouts, so-called miracle shakes, and nothing works. The weight always comes back. Worse, with every failed attempt, it feels harder and harder. You're drained, stuck in a cycle of guilt and disappointment, and then that cruel thought creeps in: maybe the problem is me. But let me tell you something no one else will. The problem isn't you. What's really sabotaging your results? It doesn't matter how hard you try. If your body is stuck in a state of metabolic burnout, it won't burn fat like it's supposed to. Here's why. Over time, your mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses in your cells, become less efficient. When that happens, your body stores fat easily instead of burning it, leaves you tired and unmotivated to work out, traps you in a cycle of hunger and cravings. That's why losing weight feels impossible. But here's the good news. The solution lies in your metabolism, and Mitolyn is the key. Mitolyn isn't just another weight loss supplement. It's designed to repair your mitochondria, restoring your body's metabolic balance so you can burn fat naturally. It targets the root cause. With scientifically proven natural ingredients, Mitolyn helps your body burn fat all day long, effortlessly. No more yo-yo dieting. By fixing your metabolism, your results last. More energy, more life. You won't just lose weight. You'll feel lighter, energized, and back in control. Mitolyn isn't a shortcut. It's the solution you've been waiting for. You have two choices right now. 1. Keep trying the same old things, piling up frustrations while your health slowly declines. 2. Make the decision to truly change and give your body the support it needs to work in your favor. Mitolyn has already helped thousands. Now it's your turn. Visit the official website now and start your transformation today. Reminder, the time will pass whether you take action or not. Why not use that time to take care of yourself? Click the link to the official Mitolyn website, the only place where you can get the real product, Mitolyn, because you deserve to feel your best.